However, one of the challenges was with respect to medium also, खासकर जो regional, since it was a regional service commission, मैं हिंदी के अखबारों को refer करती थी, but since I was my medium to answer was in English, so that language challenges was there, but still it can be overcome with the help of your mentors, friends, and obviously internet. Internet is the solution to everything. It's your effort that matters.
Miss Akanksha Gupta, a BPSC exam topper with the rank of 105. Hello everyone, my name is Vartika Tyagi and welcome to the Hindu Zone. Today we have a very special guest with us, Miss Akanksha Gupta, a BPSC exam topper with the rank of 105. Hello Akanksha, welcome to the show and many congratulations for this amazing success.
Thank you.
Okay, so for our viewers who are not be familiar with the BPSC exam, it's a state service exam. It is very tough to crack, but every year nearly 4.5 lakh students appear for this exam, but only a small fraction of students can crack it. So yeah. So how was it like? What was your initial feeling when you get to know that you have cracked the exam?
Yes, it was a feeling of exaltation. जी खुशी तो बहुत हुई थी, हाँ एग्ज़ाम क्रैक हुआ. तो yes, it was a happy feeling altogether.
So how was it like? Did you know it first or someone else cracked the news to you?
No, I knew it was a group where the result was published. So I checked it myself. I got the news myself.
So Akanksha, can you tell us about your journey and about everything? Like how did you start it and what was the strategies you followed and the result when came? Then तो कैसा आपको लगा? सब कुछ कैसा था?
सब कुछ, it was a long process, I personally feel, and this 67 BPSC was all the more long because इसकी pre भी एक और बार हुई थी and it almost 1.5 year ये cover हुआ था. So I personally feel for any competitive examination आपके अंदर वो fuel होना चाहिए to stretch ourselves throughout the journey, right from all the 3 stages. So yes, it was a long process, but it was worth spending on it.
So what motivated you to pursue a career in a UPSC exam? Who motivated you for this?
Some trees are planted by will while some trees are planted by wild seeds. I don't know where this motivation was, but there was a natural inclination towards it and just I followed my instincts.
So can you please tell us about your preparation strategy for UPSC? What was the daily routine? What was the strategies you use? Or what was the, test series and everything? Please tell us about it.
That's again a most common question that has been asked to all the successful candidates again. But I personally feel there's no strategy. It's your strategy. It's almost your strategy. However, one thing which worked out for me was, which I found that was something different and it worked for me, was listening. जैसे कि हम पहले भी देखते थे श्रुति लिटरेचर का काफ़ी काम होता था. तो वो चीज़ था कि I used to listen a lot of things rather than, it's often said कि writing and reading are 2 important perspectives, but apart from it I would like to put the third perspective of listening also. I used to record the lectures myself and used to listen them, record the answers, the important points that I had wrote it down and listen them. So listening I would point out as one of the important thing that helped me.
So you have told me that you are from Bihar. So I was asking you कि बिहार से इतने सारे लोग UPSC की तरफ आ रहे हैं, एग्ज़ाम्स क्रैक कर रहे हैं, सिविल सर्विसेज में आ रहे हैं, तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इसके बारे में? लाइक वी ऑल आर वेरी क्यूरियस कि क्या है ऐसा?
मुझे लगता है बिहार की मिट्टी में ही होगी, लेकिन ये कहना गलत है कि सिर्फ बिहार से. नाउ UPSC हैज़ बीन ऑल टुगेदर ऑल ओवर अट्रैक्टिंग स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड, अक्रॉस द ग्लोब आई शुड से, विद आवर नेबरिंग कंट्रीज टू ऑल्सो हैव पार्टिसिपेशंस. सो येस.
कैसे आपने ओवरकम किया इन सारे चैलेंजेस को जो डेली बेसिस पे हमें देखने को मिलता है, बिकॉज नॉट एवरी डे इज सेम, राइट? So how did you overcome all those challenges?
Challenges to be, it's a very specific challenges, right? And jotting down each would be again 2 specifics. Different students would have their own set of challenges. However, one of the challenges was with respect to medium also. खासकर जो regional, since it was a regional service commission, मैं हिंदी के अखबारों को refer करती थी, but since I was my medium to answer was in English, so that language challenges was there, but still it can be overcome with the help of your mentors, friends, and obviously internet. Internet is the solution to everything. It's your effort that matters.
Okay, you're talking about the internet. So, while you were preparing for the exam, were you active on any social media platform? Because every viewer who is watching it right now, everyone is like कि क्या हमें social media बंद कर देनी चाहिए, सब कुछ खत्म कर देना चाहिए, फोन से जितना दूर हो सके उतना दूर रहना चाहिए. आपका क्या point of view है? आपकी क्या strategy थी?
Yes, I was active on the social medias which I used to follow or which I am on, and I'm still very much active onto it. Yes, but still, it's not end but limit.
Okay, so many aspirants find the personalities test, like the interview test, is very tough. Everybody says it. तो आपने वो कैसे किया? Like how did you maintain yourself to go there? In पूरा पैनल होता है and you are sitting there. So is there any nervousness or something? क्या चीज़ थी जिसमें आपने सब चीज़ों को beat किया and you have topped?
It's a journey, and as you proceed towards the journey, right from the first step, as students, new beginners, freshers find it difficult. But however, as soon as they would proceed and start crossing each and every barrier, there's a pre-par kiya, mains par kiya, it's called emancipation of mind. You emancipate and you evolve over the period of time. So by the time you cross your mains and you give few mock interviews to face, it's all comfortable.
तो टेस्ट सीरीज, मॉक इंटरव्यूज, वो कैसे हेल्प करते हैं एक स्टूडेंट को अपनी पर्सनालिटी डेवलप करने में और वहाँ तक पहुँचने में?
Confidence building would be again for mock interviews, and yes, confidence building I would say, and as far as test series is concerned, it gives a reality check for that matter.
What is your advice to the aspirants who are preparing for UPSC and BPSC or civil services exams? What is your advice to them?
I would again reply, keep doing it, being consistent. Apart from that, keep it very simple. This I had taken from Dhoni also after the World Cup. Keep it very simple. Just keep it direct, simple approach. ज़्यादा दिमाग लगानी ही नहीं है इसमें.
Akanksha, you want to say anything to our viewers, to this coaching institute?
Yes, thank you to everyone for this opportunity. I'm all full of gratitude. आभार, अभिनंदन, अपार प्रेम. मैं हूँ आपकी अपनी आकांक्षा.
If you like our video, please do like, share and comment on this video, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.